Okay, today we are talking about floor sink drain liners. So here's a common situation. You have a floor sink that is broken, it's damaged, it's completely rusted out inside and out. It needs to be replaced because you don't want it to leak inside the subfloor or your concrete slab, etc. It's a safety hazard. What do? Spend time and money tearing out the old floor sink? Well, that's where a floor sink liner retrofit solution comes in. You can see you have your drain pipe that comes down to your P-trap. Instead of hammering up all that concrete and tearing out the old one, you simply remove the floor sink grate. Take some measurements of the diameter of your floor sink, the depth of the floor sink, the diameter of the drain pipe, the width of your flange on your floor sink, and you go online and you can buy one of these retrofit floor sink liners. Woo! Usually made out of stainless steel. They come with square baskets, some are round baskets. You can see this one has a rubber seal on the bottom of it that simply slides inside your existing drain pipe.
Wow.
So unless your drain pipe is damaged or rotted out, you can usually reuse the existing drain pipe, leave it in place, and simply slide this liner into the old floor sink. Sometimes the instructions will tell you to put some sealant around the bottom of the flange or around the pipe that slides into your existing drain pipe. But this option is quick, easy, cost-effective, and it reduces the intrusion or interruption to your business and downtime. I hope this information helps you. I want to tell you about a practical facilities maintenance handbook available now on Amazon in paperback and ebook format. It has common facilities documents, signage, tags, resource material, as well as common shop equipment drawings that you can use to fabricate shop equipment for your facility. The link for this book is in the video description below. This is a great training aid and resource guide for the facilities professional. And if you need shirts, hats, mugs, or weather-resistant stickers for your facility, there is a link in the video description below for this facilities maintenance store where you can buy these products you see here. I hope you find it helpful. Please like, share, subscribe, leave me a comment, and thanks for watching.